Alright, door hinge repair kit. I don't know, man. They made it seem real easy on YouTube, a couple of them, but it was not so easy, man. This is the replacement piece that I had to pre-drill because the old one went out. The ball bearing just broke off. But anyways, 2009 Cadillac Escalade hybrid, yes sir. You know, made here in America. Hybrid. I got the new rims going on. Looked it up a little bit. Got the tail lights. Oh, I also got the chrome piece on top. Special edition only. Blacked it out. Got the blacked out tail lights. Anyways, we're here to talk about this here. A couple of things to keep in mind. As you can see, there's a jack holding the door because only one hinge is going to hold that door, and if you don't be careful, that door is just going to go whoop when you pull that hinge out, and it'll jack up your paint. It'll do something. I don't even want to know what it'll do, but I'm sure that ain't going to be nothing nice if it hangs down. So yeah, be careful with that. And then I took the spring off just to get in there, but I'm about to put it back on. Shit, there's no way I would be able to do it without taking this apart, because this little top right here, see where my pinky's at right there? See how I even grinded it down? That shit would not go in for nothing. And the rivet that is actually factory gets smashed, so they preload it, and it's supposed to last forever, but it doesn't, obviously. Then you got to put this little washer on there. I did it to secure it, but there's no way you can do that without removing this whole piece here. And it's a pain in the ass, man, getting to these bolts back there. The one that goes all the way to the end, see from up here, there's one all the way at the end right here that holds the whole bracket in place. But getting to the rest of them, because this thing is in like this, wait, let me see, yeah, it's in like that. There's no way to get to it. It's a pain in the ass. You got to squeeze your finger in there, and you got to blow this thing off first. Take the old one off, or else you're not gonna get to the back of this bolts right here. There's 3 of them, and you have to sit there and barely squeeze in there, and just do 1 flip, 2 flip. I gotta say that once they get started, you just gotta get your hand in there. You get 1 finger on top, 1 on the bottom. It's a pain in the ass. Not as simple as I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, I added some speakers on there too. You know, built the custom box, but you can't really see it right now, but I'm gonna show you anyways. See in the back over there, boo boo. Took that out, put 2 tins in there, put the amp on the other side, got the mobile film stuff going on, you know. And I also custom built inserted the EQ in there. That's what is that? That's Cerwin Vega. Oh yeah, they got a nice little EQ that they build. It's pretty dope. So yeah, and then factory, I can't remove the factory unit, so put some tweeters up in there too to go along. Sunk some other speakers in the door. Anyways, good luck. That's a pain in the ass. I'm not looking forward to putting it back on, but it is what it is. Deuce.